Hey Falcons, I'm Callie.
And I'm Camelia.
And today we're going to be showing you some of our favorite spots to study on campus. First up is Jerome Library.
The Jerome Library is home to many different resources, such as the Learning Commons, the Collab Lab, tutors, and so much more. Let's go check out some of our favorite floors.
Each floor is a little bit different. The first floor is a great spot to study with your friends, by yourself, or even with tutors. Need to grab a snack while you're here? Check out the Outtakes that's located in the building. And if you need to check out a book, you can head up to the circulation desk in the front.
The 7th floor is a great spot for group study. There's whiteboards all around and there's a great view of the campus.
Need an even quieter spot to study? Head up to the 8th floor to check out the silent study area.
Welcome to the Bowen Thompson Student Union, the central hub on campus. You can get your food from the nest, grab some Starbucks, and go visit one of the many study locations in this building.
The 2nd floor is a great spot to set up to study. There's a lot of tables, outlets, great lighting, and it's a central spot to see all your friends.
Need a quieter place to study in between classes? Check out University Hall.
University Hall was renovated in 2018 and offers a quieter spot for studying on campus. With booths and tables located throughout the entire building, you're sure to find a quiet study spot to get all your studying done.
You can relax by the fireplace or sit in a booth, or you can write on the many whiteboards throughout this new building.
We know that there are so many other places to study on campus and we want to hear from you.
So leave us a comment below on where your favorite study spot is, or tweet us with the hashtag BGExamWeek.
Happy studying, Falcons!
And good luck on your exams.